Well, this has been the first time we declared a state of emergency just before the cyclone. It was 6 hours before the cyclone hit. And then we lost communication with Hapai. That gave us the decision to go there right away and to look at what's going on in Hapai. And it was very emotional. When you get there, you see what has happened, and knowing there's only one life that has been lost in that event. And and what I saw that day, it's like matchsticks scattered all over the main town. This is the first time that we move and respond to a cyclone before any donor, partner or any government comes to our assistance, because we had some money allocated to emergencies, so we were able to move and respond. It's almost on the spot to these people, affected people. So now what we have learned, whatever amount of money we have left over, we try and set it aside, because we would always have, we are vulnerable to this, and with climate change, you never know when it will happen. So now we still have some money left from the recovery of Hapai. However, we are thinking of moving that to our emergency. We don't have to spend it all this time, because there will be a next time. And our government is committed to be prepared and to move like our Met office and our national emergency to do capacity building. That's what we need, and also train our people for future events, that they know what to do. Yes, with the construction, we have agreed with all donor partners that we'll follow one set of rules with our building code, learning from 30 years ago. We had these hurricane relief shelters that were still there after the cyclone, but those were built for Category 3. We have a Category 5, and it sustained that. So we are planning on the reconstruction of Hapai to do almost the same or better, so that it won't, what happened during Cyclone Ian won't be repeated. We have to teach our people. I think that's the first thing to do, is to teach our people how to handle these things. Definitely, with all the information that we got from our Met service and what we are experiencing these days, I can say it's directly involved with climate change. Now, usually in the past, when I was a kid, we know when a hurricane would come, but now cyclones come anytime. So, and it's very severe, like this tropical cyclone Ian. It's getting stronger and stronger, and I'm sure that's the effects of climate change. And we need to adapt ourselves in the Pacific and see how best we can work with climate change to handle and be resilient to these natural disasters. Although we've been resilient to that in the past, we need to teach our people further, train them that we can handle. We cannot fight it. We have to handle what's coming, and we have to take it. This is that's life for us, and we need. I think we need to upgrade all our information system, every area that would affect our people. We would still have another cyclone anytime. Because of climate change, we might have another one next month, and we should always be ready. So we still have, government have to move to do things first before relying on donor partners. We can have the donor partners when we get everything all brought together, but government has to make the first move. Yes, I think it's vital for us in island nations to learn from each other and to benefit, and we would know what the others have done and try and improve what we have in place. If we don't, then we'll be lost. It's always better to be together with our other island nations and learn from what they do, and they can learn from what we do.